Hello, you lovely people. This is me, Chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Nutrela Healthy Plate by Varun. In today's times, health is mandatory. But what's equally important is the fact that food also needs to be delicious and tasty. On that note today, for all the foodies out there, I have a recipe which is delicious and healthy. Red rice soy pulao using Nutrela Soya Chunks. Let's begin. First things first, let's move on. Red onions. Let's move on to cutting a carrot. And along with this, let's move on to some green chilies. Well, snip the stalks off and roughly let's break these. And along with this, I also have with me a couple of green peas, cauliflower, and American sweet corn. Let's move on to the next component, which is the red rice, which is a very unique variety of rice, and it's also highly nutritious. What I'm going to do is quickly take this in a large bowl and wash this well 2 to 3 times. As a rice lover myself, I'm fond of this because apart from being tasty, it is high in fiber and is also sodium free. And this helps in maintaining cholesterol levels and boosts immunity. The red rice is washed and ready. Let's quickly move on to the next step, and that is soaking the Nutrela Soya Chunks. Let's do that. It is naturally enriched with protein and has no added chemicals. It blends seamlessly into our recipes as well. It covers 52% of protein, which makes it healthy, and it also improves our digestive health. We soak this in hot water, squeeze out the extra water, and take it to another level. Now, Nutrela Soya Chunks are ready to use. Let's now move on to the cooking process, and for that, let's begin with oil. In this case, Nutrela refined sunflower oil. While cooking, you also need a good oil, and I'm using Nutrela refined sunflower oil, the best healthy option for you all. As a chef myself, I ensure that meals are enriched with proper vitamins too, and this oil fulfills the same as it has vitamins A and D. Once the onions just kind of begin to turn golden brown in color, we're going to add in the vegetables. Let's begin with carrots, moving on to cauliflower, moving on to green peas, roundels of American corn, and finally the green chilies. Let's stir this well and add in the spices. Let's begin with turmeric powder, red chili powder, and along with this, garam masala. Whenever I need unique flavors in my dish, spices are my best companion, and I personally prefer to use the Patanjali spice range. And trust me, the spice lovers in you are going to love it even more. Time to add in fresh tomato puree. Time to add in washed red rice, followed by Nutrela Soya Chunks, which are soaked and ready. Some salt. What I generally do is for every cup of rice, I add in 2 cups of water. We stir this well, allow this to cook on high flame for at least 10 minutes, and then once the water at the surface dries, we cover this, lower the flame, and continue cooking this for 10 minutes further. And with this, off goes the flame. Allow this to sit for 10 minutes, and then we serve this. With this, a delicious and healthy red rice soya pulao is done and ready. It's not just high protein, but extremely flavorful too. Make this for your near and dear ones, and we'll see you again on Get Curried with more such amazing recipes using Nutrela Soya to make your plate healthy. To follow more such recipes, check out the Instagram handle, myNutrela. Until then, stay safe. Bye for now.